Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Maybelline Superstay foundation. Yay! Oh my goodness, I went to Ulta yesterday, so I just wanted to stock up for clients, and I said okay, I also want to get a drugstore foundation for myself. I tried that foundation, like fam, oh my goodness, it was really nice. So yesterday of course there was no primer on my face and anything, so today I said I was going to just film Maybelline. So is this going to be a first impressions? No, it's just going to be a proper review. So I'm going to be reviewing this and I'm going to tell you my honest truth, and this is what it looks like. There was a time I actually wanted to really buy it, but I was in a hurry, so I was trying like the shades, and I tried one of the shades and I just felt my color was in there, and which is always my problem. With drugstore foundations, you have to go to where you can actually try them. That's why I don't recommend you go to Walmart to buy drugstore foundation. If you want to get drugstore foundations, I will advise that you go to places like Ulta, where you can test, you can, I don't know if you can get samples at Ulta, but I know that you can play with makeup and you can just test. So it is always very advisable, if you want to get any drugstore product, just go to Ulta, do all your mix and match, and I'm sure you get your color. So by the time I mixed my concoction yesterday, I resolved to my actual shade being Warm Sun and Coconut. So this is it. These two colors, like, it's just perfect. I'm just going to be trying it now, and that's just it. So first I'm going to just moisturize my face and I'm going to prime my face. So for moisturizing my face, I'm going to be using the Embryolisse moisturizer. This is what it looks like. And for my actual primer, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite, Becca. You want to always moisturize. Moisturizing is very, very key. It also helps your foundation actually. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my updates. A friend of mine said when I say that, like, she just always laughs. It's the market that we are selling. Please subscribe. Okay, so after that I'm going to be using the primer, and I'm just going to be putting that on my T-zones where I usually get oily the most. I think I'm more of a combination skin, and I particularly like this primer because it minimizes my pores, so that's really why I like it. Like, it just gives you a smooth base. And also you want to make your primer and your foundation sit for like maybe like a minute, to absorb on your face and all of that. You don't want to immediately put your foundation on your primer because it just gives these streaky lines. Let's mix our concoction. So as you can see, I have not even opened it. Like, yeah. Oh my god. What happened? So it's very, what happened? It's very, very new. It's going to like, the consistency is so nice. Like, it's like a medium coverage foundation, but you can actually build on it. It's not very, very light. It's not bad. So this is the Warm Sun, and this is the Coconut, 355 Coconut. As you can see, the Coconut is a bit darker. I don't know if you can see it like this. Like, can you see? And I'm just going to mix my little concoction. I think I added a lot of the coconut. Like, I think I was just supposed to add very little of the coconut. Can you see? Like, guys, this foundation is nice. Ooh. hardly would you hear me say that a foundation is very, very nice. So if I say that this foundation is nice, it's really nice. So I'm going to just do half of my face so you just get to see what I'm trying to say. And you can actually build on it. You don't even need a lot, guys. You don't need a lot. This is perfect for your everyday. You can even rock it. You can even use it as your party makeup. In actual fact, I have some spots, and with just one pump. Well, I won't say with just one pump, but as you can see, it's like really covering my spots very well. Can you see? Like, I'm shook. Yeah, I don't really have a lot of spots, but still, even the small spots that I have, with just one touch, like it's just covering it. How awesome. I love this foundation. Yeah, I still have tiny pores, but this is really nice. For an everyday foundation that I've been looking for, I think I am really impressed. Like, Maybelline is the bomb.com. Trust me, like, I'm so excited for this foundation. Although I think I used a little too much of Cocunut, because yesterday I used more of the Warm Sun, you know, and very little of the Cocunut. But in all, it still doesn't really matter, because sometimes I like my foundation to be a bit darker than my skin tone. But hey, by the time I highlight and, you know, finish the rest of my face, everything will come together. So let me just highlight and finish the rest of my face, and I'll come back with the final review. Stay tuned. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this mini review slash first impressions slash not so first impressions. Like, this foundation is really nice. Like, I can vouch for this foundation. I have not used it for the whole day, so I really cannot give you like a 100% assurance of it's not caking up or what have you. But I feel with this already, I'm sure this is going to like last me like for the whole day. You have to mix and match basically to actually get your true foundation. With most drugstore products, it's usually like that, which I don't think is a bad thing, you know. Try it out and let me know what you feel in the comment section below. I'm going to see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you would not miss any update from me. I love you. Stay beautiful. Bye.